Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add a payment method on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to add payment method, so let's see how can you do that. So very first you have to check some settings to avoid issues to adding payment method. So you have to make sure that you have a strongest and stable network connection. You can try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then go back, open up your settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect that and then go back, select software update, and you have to make sure that your software is up to date. And after that, go back from here, or you can make more settings, open your general, go for language and region option, and you have to select the region or country in which you are living. So once you have selected, go back, open your app store, tap on the profile option in the top right corner, select your account, and then select country or region option. Now you just have to select the same country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone. So I have selected this one, so simply tap on that, then select continue option, then tap on agree in the top right corner. And now you have to simply add your payment method here. So you have to add your payment method, add your credit card info here, then add your billing address, your phone number, and then your name. Once you have added all of these, simply tap on done option in the top right corner and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily add payment method on your iPhone or in your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.